Hey, Edward from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to template library, and there's basically there being a new sorting function. So let's say we go to traffic, emails, templates. So you want to create a new template. So we go pick from existing ones, right? Email marketing templates. That's what we're going to create from. And here we have like more filters, and this often comes in handy if there's like a release of new templates, for example. Then you have the option, instead of most popular, you can do most recent, and obviously you have a few more options over here, right? So kind of segment them, and obviously you have them by categories. But yeah, especially this one, I think it would be helpful to me if it's the most recent ones. When there's some new ones released, you still can't find them; they're just kind of mixed somewhere in there. So that's kind of a cool thing. And obviously these four options. So that's make sure to go check it out. See how you like it. If you have any questions about this or any other things related Funneltopia, let us know over here at the bottom. 24/7 chat support. Make sure to respond as quickly as possible, and also schedule a VIP call if you're a VIP. You have more than one or two questions, we can just get on a call. It's going to be easier. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.